Hey guys, welcome back to our another video. This is your Preet. In this video, I will teach you how to make pop-ups in WoodMart theme. Creating pop-up in WoodMart theme is more easier if you wanna display newsletter in pop-up or contact form or other elements. So don't skip any part of this video. Like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get start this video. So first of all, make sure you already install WoodMart theme in WordPress. If you not yet watch my other videos on WoodMart theme, we have a complete playlist about WoodMart where you will find complete step-by-step tutorials for WoodMart. Let me show you first WoodMart and theme setting. So here under the theme setting, you will see under general option, you will have option here promo pop-ups. If you wanna enable promo pop-up on the home page, you have to enable this one. You also can enable promo only text if you wanna only display text in the home page. If I visit my home page of my website here, so I will able to show you the pop-up we have here. So this is the pop-up we can see here easily, and we can modify it further. That depends on you what type of pop-up you wanna display here. As you can see, this is our newsletter pop-up. You can display promo pop-up about the products or shipping. You can display some product and you can write here ongoing promos, check out our this product, and you can have more elements if you want to display as pop-up. So under the theme setting in under promo pop-ups, make sure it's enabled here. Then the next step, we have to choose what type of pop-up we want to display. We simply have to select HTML block, because when we create a pop-up in WoodMart theme, we use HTML block. Then you have to select your promo, which promo or pop-up you want to display. To build pop-ups, we will go to option here under HTML blocks and we will create our promo. If you scroll down, you will have option to style your promo, pop-up background. If you also can add background image in the pop-ups. As you can see in this picture, we have a black background with image. So this is what used in the setting under the style. You can change this image by click on upload image, and you have to choose here you wanna repeat or not, or cover you wanna set as cover or contained. If you set as a cover, your image will be more bigger. You can select any other setting if you wanna keep your image more visible in the pop-up. So if I choose other color, I also can choose other color as pop-up, and I will choose any other image in the pop-up. So this is the image. Now let me select cover here. You can try out the different types of contains. So this is the complete image we have under the pop-up, and you can set if you wanna set as center or left or top. Background attachment if you wanna keep it scrollable or fixed here. So the image will be fixed, or you can cancel this setting. For the background, you can select any other color. But if you not have a image, only you wanna display the color, you also can display the color here as background. Then you can choose pop-up text color should be light. If you're using here black color under pop-up background, you have to choose here light, and pop-up width you can adjust. So let me upload any other image. Okay, this one you can set as top left or contained. Then you also have some other setting if you want. Keep it center. Let me keep it center. Okay, center. You also can adjust the pop-up width here, how much width you wanna give. You also can here live visible how much width you need. If the width is almost good. So this is around 600 500 pixel the width we have in the pop-up. Okay, if you choose the background color here, so this is the light text we use here. So in the setting, there is a pop-up text color should be light. But if I choose here white color or little gray color, let me choose this. I will select on dark, pop-up text color dark. So let's save setting and check out how our pop-up look like. Then we will start making our pop-up. Let me refresh it one time to see our pop-up how it look like. As you can see, our pop-up is now has image in the background and the text is black color. We can make it white color. We have to set as light color for the text. For the image, you can make a little dull image if you want more visible. You have to select under the settings. You can go with contain or any other setting. Let me give you an example here. Let me scroll down. Example, you wanna display as cover, inherit, or any other setting, contain. And then we have this in the side we have a background color. Let me make it dark. Okay, and then you can select here options, attachment, scroll, or fixed, or you can cancel this one. So now let me make keep my pop-up text color should be light because we choose background little dark. Okay, let's save setting and check out our pop-up. Okay, now let's refresh. You also can set how delay, how yeah, as you can see our pop-up, but image it looks not good. But you can, I can recommend you, if you have any dull image, you can make dull image like image does not have a too much brightness, so you can use that one, or you can simply use the background color only. That will be good idea. If I choose here cancel the image and I will only use the dark color or little gray color, I will select light. So if I choose like blue color and it should be light and save setting. Now let's refresh our homepage to check how it look like. That way you can change background of your pop-up. As you can see, this looks good. And now let's start creating different pop-ups. How you can create pop-ups. If you want to hide this particular pop-up on the mobile device, you have to enable it here. And you have to set if you want to show pop-up after users scroll on your website, the pop-up will only show when they scroll our website homepage little bit downside like that. Then it will show pop-up, or you can set some time after like 2 seconds, 3 seconds. It's milliseconds, so you have to set your milliseconds here. So if you wanna example after 10 seconds, you have to select here 10,000 milliseconds. Show after number of page visit. That means if I select here number 1 2, so the pop-up only show when someone click on the pages, like they go to smart gadget, this is the page number 1, and they go to jump to another page immediately, like from smart gadget they will go to unique product, so that count 2 pages. So now click on unique product and pop-up will only show after 2 visits, because in the setting we set here show pop-up after number of page visit. You can select here like 3 page, 2 page, or 1 page. Okay, pop-up version you can set to 1. Now let's start creating our pop-up. You also can create your pop-up if you don't want to add a style or you want to design your own pop-up. You can definitely design your own pop-up. So this is the promo pop-up here. Let me refresh my homepage, and that is the promo pop-up in the homepage. If you wanna edit or customize the main pop-up visible on the homepage here, let me show you here. Let me refresh my homepage, and now it will show the pop-up. You can set you can design that particular pop-up. Okay, example, you want to display something else on the home page, then you have to select any other pop-up here. You want to display contact information or contact form, you can also select. But how about if some people they want to set the pop-up something like a button or a visible button here. Some example, let me give you example here. Example, this is the buy now button. So if they click here, the pop-up will be open. So you can also create that style, like button style pop-up anywhere on the home page or any page on the website. That's possible. So let me give you one example with the add button pop-up. Let me go to my website homepage, and I will add it with Elementor, the main homepage. Now you have to decide where you want to display the pop-up on the homepage. Okay, so example, let me give you example of newsletter. Okay, newsletter example, you don't want to display the whole element of newsletter, but you want to give one button or one option. Someone click here, the pop-up will be open for newsletter. Okay, let's add our pop-up here or here. Example here on the buttons. Okay, nearby the buttons. So someone click here, contact us, the pop-up will be open. So let me delete the track order, delete it. Okay, so now let's go to add elements and search in the elements pop-up and drag your pop-up where you want to display. Someone click as button, it will display. So let me drag it here, downside. And now content, you have to select here what type pop-up. If they click here, what type pop-up should be come out. So let me select promo pop-up and button. Let me give the button like subscribe now. Okay, example, I'm going to give you an example of these things here. Okay, and then so this is example, subscribe now. This is the button. Someone click here, the pop-up will be open. So let me publish it and open my website homepage. So to check if pop-up works, so this is the button here. We can select the button like we can design it. We can align here nearby it. So let me click on subscribe now, and you can see the pop-up is open now. So this way, a lot of people they want to display pop-up like this way. You can add one button here. Check out our trending product or ongoing sale, that you can create a pop-up. First, you have to create a pop-up for that. So let me go to options here under the HTML blocks. Let's click all item. So these are the HTML block we have right now. We have a promo pop-up already. You also can add it with Elementor. If you like existing pop-up or newsletter, you wanna use same, then you have to add it with Elementor, and you can design here how you like. Okay, you can change the text here, and the newsletter, when you click on this sign up button, it will give you option to select a newsletter form. You have to design your newsletter form. So here first you have to create a newsletter form for that. For the newsletter form, I have installed here Mailchimp, and then in the form you can select a Mailchimp. You can create Mailchimp form. Okay, otherwise you also can create in the contact form. If I click on contact forms, and it has uh, it does not have, but you can create newsletter using contact form as well. But if I go to Mailchimp and click on forms, I will able to see my form here. So this is the form, newsletter form. So you have to first connect with the Mailchimp. To connect Mailchimp, you have to click on Mailchimp and make sure it's connected here. You have to provide a Mailchimp API key here. By clicking here, get your API key and provide your API key and save changes. It will become green. And then under the forms, after it connect, go to forms and you will able to create your new form here. You can keep this as it is after connect, or you can just copy the whole form code here. Copy. After you connect, you can use this same form, and when you go to setting, you can adjust your setting. Use double opt-in, existing subscriber for your subscribers. So let's go back to the create HTML block pop-up. Let's click on add new item. Now I wanna create a pop-up of trending products. So let me trending items. So let's click on add it with Elementor right away, because we will create our pop-up using Elementor. In the next video, hopefully we will create with other page builders like WordPress, blog editor, and Gutenberg, etc. So let's now we are ready to create our pop-up. So you have to decide what type of pop-up, as this is the trending item. So let me click on, you can use Extremos template for this, for the pop-up as well. So you also can use this one, subscribe with video pop-up, and you have a more options here. So let me select from the options like a banner, call to action. Example, you wanna create call to action pop-up. Okay, and then if you go scroll down for the categories and for the products, let's click on products, and these are the pre-built layout we have. We can create as pop-up. Okay, and let me select any of layout from these. Let me choose, okay, this one. Let's select this one, product 6 column, but we only want to display only 3 or 4. Let me edit here, or right click with the mouse, edit adjust product tab. Under the tabs, I don't want to display different types of I only want to display popular in the category. I want to change it shop trending products. Okay, and in the tabs, I don't want to keep any tab. Let me delete it. Okay, so we only have shop trending products. So these are the product. If someone click on the pop-up, they will see these product, but you can edit this product. For that, let's click on image. You can also set an image. Let's go to tabs, click on tab 1, and here you have to select which type of product you want to display here. You can display like a trending product, then you have to select like a best seller product or top rated. Let's select top rated, because the category we have select here trending product. So you have to either select manually your product you want to display. For the manual way, you have to select here all product. Under the category, you have to type category you want to display under these trending products. You wanna, if someone click on the pop-up, example pop-up here, someone like the button or under here button, shop trending product or check out our trending item. See, they will click here and they will see this particular pop-up. They will see our trending products. Or we can display the pop-up nearby the shop now. Instead of the shop now, we can display here shop trending product. They will click here, they will see pop-up. Okay, so now under the categories you have to type 2 words or 3 words for the categories, and it will search the categories for you. Let's just select this one. Yeah, this not work because I have a limited product. And then after you select your product you want to display as pop-up, let's go ahead, click publish. Now our pop-up is ready. Now you also can use different types of template for the pop-up. Okay, so let me go back to the option HTML blocks, click all item. Now this is the trending item pop-up we just create, and it give us a shortcode. We can use this shortcode anywhere. Okay, and then now it's time to display our trending item pop-up on the home page. So let me refresh my home page one time and add it with Elementor. Okay, now you have to decide where you want to display that button for the trending product. Example, you want to display here after the product here. So let me click on plus icon to give space here between the elements. Or example, you want to display here on the banners. You also can use the banners for that. Okay, so let me use this place for the pop-up. Let me drag here section title first to make it title. Under the title, let me delete subtitle. I will only keep title. Check out our trending product or ongoing sales. Okay, and then so this is our title. Now it's time to add pop-up. Now let me click on add element and search here pop-up. So I will drag this pop-up under exactly we designed this title. Check out our trending product. Okay, so this is the button now is ready, but I wanna give it dark color of button. So let me click on first style button and change the button style to 3D. So it will look something nice. Under the predefined color, let's choose primary or alternative color. Okay, this one or any other. Let's try out. Okay, this one. Predefined size, let's make it large little bit, and you also can make it full width button, but it will look bigger, so you can keep it small. So now I want to give some space between the elements, so I can use a spacer for that. So let me click on add element, spacer. Okay, spacer, drag exactly under the button. So this is the 50 pixel, so space, and above we wanna also give some space. Let's click on spacer and drag it to exactly above the. So now we have two in the upper side we also have space, and the downside we also have space. Let's reduce it from 40 to 33 for the upper side. Okay, so let me check it. Looks good. And we can change its color, the element, whole color for the element. For that, let's click on exact here, edit container, or right click. Example, you wanna display the color on the whole element here, whole section. So you have to select here, edit container, go to style, background color, let me give it little bit dark. Okay, now let me click on the titles. Okay, and style, predefined color white. Okay, and now we have button. We also change color for the button. Click on the button. Make sure you click, when you click on the button, go to style option, click on button, predefined color, let's make it alternative. Okay, and or you can also try some other if you have. Let's make it white. Okay, now rectangle, or you want to make a round button, you also make it. Okay, now let's check out. Okay, let's, looks good. Now I want to give some margin. So for the margin we use, where you want to give margin, I want to give margin above this downside element. Restyle shop, why shop with us. So let's click here and go to advanced option. Under the top, give some margin like 44 or 55. Check out. Please uncheck here. Link value together. Uncheck. So top we also have space. Bottom we also have space 80 here. So that's looks good. Or you can also match with the 80, and the bottom we have 80 pixel, and the top we also can put 80. Okay, so let me close the side tab. Yeah, it looks better. Okay, now let me click on the button, go to content option. Let's select our widget to make pop-up. Select here trending item. This is the pop-up we design, right? Okay, so now let me click on publish. Let's check out our homepage, how it look like, if our pop-up will work. uh, yeah, that this looks good. And now with the same way you can display different types of items like a newsletter, trending product. If you does not have space, you can use this way. Just they have to click here. Or let me change its text here. Click on button, check out our trending product, ongoing sale, check now. Or you can give anything. Click here, click here. Yeah, let's refresh our homepage now. Sorry, my spell. Click here. Now let's refresh our homepage. Okay, now let's click on the pop-up here. Click here. As you can see, now our pop-up is working perfectly. So you can reduce the number of product, like it's showing 6. You can make it a 3 or 4. It will be enough, and it will look beautiful. So let me go to pop-up again, trending item, edit with Elementor, open into new tab. I will reduce number of product, or I need to increase its width. So let's check this out, how we can do it. So let's try to reduce the number of product. Let's go to tabs, click on main tab, scroll down. Let's check out if how many product we can display. Order by, query, short order. Let's click on style, product layout. Yeah, here we can design product layout under style. Under the layout, let's check out what else they have, like carousel. You can make it carousel. Yeah, it looks good. And this is the slidable. Okay, so now let me publish it. Let's check out our slider and the in the pop-up if it works. Let's refresh our homepage and check our pop-up how it look like now, because we changed the pop-up. Click here, click on it. Yeah, it look better, and it's a slidable. Looks beautiful. Okay, this way you can design pop-up in WoodMart theme. If you have any query, just let me know in the comments. I will definitely reply you there. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it.